What are you doing?
I'm just sandpapering the cabinet so we can refinish it with white. First, we're gonna put the primer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fix the holes first, and then put a primer, and then put 2 coats. So we're finally finished in Chicago.
No, start now.
We're finally finished here in Chicago. Our little project is finally done. This is the outside.
Go on it.
We've been working for 6 weeks, I think. 7 weeks. So, was it 7? Yeah, 7 weeks. So 1 month and, actually 9 weeks. 1 month and 3 weeks.
Can you explain these details here?
Yeah, so this before, there was nothing here. The plaster was cracking and everything. And so we fixed the plaster, fixed the AC, and then put a little bit of insulation there so there's no more air coming in. And then we made this little frame so it looks nicer. It's not so bare. Because I'm not using the AC right now, it's winter.
And do you remember what had on this wall here?
Oh,
This wall?
yeah, there was a huge clock here, clock painting, and then another painting over there, but we fixed it, we cleaned it up, and it looks nicer. We can make gray.
This white mold also, right?
Yeah. So basically we did the paint here, which is a pussy willow gray, and then we did the floors.
Yeah.
So the floors are nicer now, and then we did this wall. This wall is a sort of like light blue gray tinge, and then we also did this little frame or molding. We also did the molding, redid the molding of the floors because those were old and we needed to take them off.
Yeah.
When we changed the flooring.
How about the
This is our
kitchen?
little eat-in kitchen. There was a huge coffee pot painting over here in beige, which is hideous. And so we made this. We got this from Home Depot, I think, or Lowe's. And this is a nice fake.
And we leave this gap here a little bit.
Right, it looks real.
Looks like real, like
Yeah, so it's
3D
like a
dimension, right?
Yeah. Like
Look, it's real.
fall brick, gray brick.
Yeah.
So it's really nice.
Wow. It's nice.
Little table over here, and then we completely redid the floors also of the kitchen, and we used this Portuguese inspired prices of our little home in Portugal. And there was a huge oven here, which was like a 1950s oven that didn't work anymore. We had to pulled out, and we condemned the gas pipe, and then just made this shelf, which took a while, but eventually we were able to do it. And then put some kitchen stuff over here, and also did this little molding around it so it looks nicer. And then we cleaned and repainted the cabinets. This was
Change filters because this was a mess.
yeah, that's new now.
Disgusting.
And then we repainted and redid the cabinets to white instead of the old natural brown or oak colored one. And so we also got like this specially ordered, they call it roller catch, because you couldn't find it easily in any big box store, so we had to order it off of Amazon.
Our
It took 3 days.
plan is changed to magnets.
Yeah, but the magnet failed.
We bought all
That's okay,
magnets,
yeah.
and what's happened? This doesn't fit.
Yeah, but now it does. There you go.
Now it does, yeah.
And then we weren't able to do the kitchen countertops because it would take a while, so we just got some liners and stuck them over here, and then grouted them.
Pretty amazing.
Actually caulked them.
Yeah.
And then it looks new, but it's not really durable. We'll change it eventually when we come back. And then we got this little oven slash microwave slash air fryer, so they can do their stuff in there. They can bake, air fry, and microwave at the same time without the use of a huge oven.
This
we
also
got this. This is
kitchen
originally
island.
the fridge was over here, but there was no place to chop, I've noticed, so we moved the fridge back that way. We're probably gonna get a new fridge because this is too thick.
yeah.
But we got this off of Amazon Marketplace for 80 bucks and fit perfectly. It's wide enough, and it's also tall enough so they could knead their dough over there, chop stuff and everything, so they have all that thing going for them. And then I have to bring you to the hallway. So here's the hallway, and then here is bedroom number 1, the smaller bedroom. We repainted it also. This is I think this is jewelry bead. Do you remember the pink color? But it's also a tinge of gray.
No, I don't remember exactly.
It's a shade of gray with very little bit of purple. So this was again a beige.
The name of
1990s
crystal something.
beige, yeah, which looks very dated and which looked like a Florida vacation home. But this one makes you relax a lot because it's purple and it's darker, so it kind of gives you that sort of relaxing feeling. And then you can go to the other room, which is this way. And the same exact way for the first bedroom, a little bit of purple, a gray color with a tinge of purple. And then we repainted the heaters, the moldings, the doors, the jambs, everything. We repainted it white, we replaced the faceplates, and then we sort of cleaned this
And
up.
turn on the lights, please.
Yeah. And then we just removed all the nasty paint and everything. And they've got like some airbed and some sheets over here and some comforters. If people come and family comes, they can just spread out and feel comfortable.
Okay. And I think
And then we
we
have
have
the bathroom.
yeah, that's more. I think it's one of the most challenging
Yeah,
thing.
most difficult things that we did. So this
Can you turn on the lights, please?
So
Wow.
this was broken and we replaced the whole thing, and it's really old. It's a 1950s type exhaust, so we couldn't find the fixture, so we literally pulled it apart and replaced the fan, did a little sort of engineering thing, and it worked. So it's nicer now. And then this is the original table. This was brown. We repainted it with chalk paint with a gray color, and then put a polyacrylic finish over it so it doesn't scratch, and it is glossy and water just spills and drips off of it basically. And then we got this from another big box store, which matches, so people can put their stuff in here. This one we cut ourselves because the original
Was that glass?
was glass, and I was afraid.
And
Yeah, so we
Yeah.
got another one, but it's long, so we cut a small one from off of the shelves that we did in the kitchen, and now it works. So you can actually wash your face. This one had a huge hole because this is a medicine cabinet originally, and that was taken off, and then it was replaced by this huge mirror with like jewels around them, and the jewels falling apart. We had to pull it out, change these, did some electricity work, and it works out really well.
Yeah.
And then we got this from, I guess, it's Walmart or Home Depot. Walmart.
Home Depot.
I think it's Home Depot, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can just put your cell phone in there, and then, you know. And then this little cabinet over here,
Yeah.
which we had to
Perfect.
screw in so that it stays firm. So yeah, we repainted the whole.
The bathtub, it's the color is yellow. We don't like.
But
Also, we don't have time
to refinish it.
to refinish
But
it
it looks
because we need
fine.
some like machines, compressor, something like that to pin.
Yeah.
But for now, like it's
okay for now.
okay.
Yeah. So we have this. We repainted the whole bathroom white, semi-glossy, and then also the heaters. We refinished it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was that.
Yeah.
That's our